Hey everybody, welcome to John's Train Shed. Today is July 4th, 2026. Happy birthday to this great nation of the United States of America. 250 years, that's amazing. Anyway, happy birthday to all of us. So I've been busy on the layout. You'll see from the videos coming up, and let me see. 2 days ago on Thursday, the 2nd, we went to Spokane to pick up Micah's classes, and then we also went to Valley Trains and Models, and I bought some track to do the addition I wanted to do, or the modification of the layout. And I also picked up a couple cars, so I'll show you those. And we have done some. Let me show you here. They now have a TV in the train shed, so we can watch train videos and such. And I have put up a couple, another shelf. I'm going to put up another one, and there's going to be another one that goes above this one for more train storage. I'm kind of changing the way I'm using the layout and deciding how I want to play with it. Let's see. Let me show you what I got from Gary's Valley Trains and Models. Picked up this. I think this is Lionel. Let's see. It doesn't say what it is, but anyway. Nice little log car. It's missing a couple stakes on that other side, but and this is a Lionel. Boxcar and 6257 caboose. Well, I'm kind of pleased with those. We'll run those on the track today. So let me show you. Let me show you what I've done to the layout. I've I have a couple things on order from Amazon and from eBay that should be arriving next week, that I'll be showing you when I get them, and adding those to the layout. And I have I'm gonna be busy out here in the train shed for a while, which is quite good. So anyway, let me pick up the camera, and I'll kind of show you what I've been doing and what I'm gonna do, and then we'll run some trains. So stand by. Well, this is the main change. Now, the fast track, I have 036 curves, but these I believe are 048 or 046. I'm not too sure what the number is. But when I was figuring out what I needed for track for this, if I used the 036 curves here, I wound up with little spaces and different gaps and stuff. And so when I was at the Valley Trains and Models, I was looking at these other tracks. I said, you know, that might make up the difference just by having a different radius curve. And sure enough, it worked just great. All the pieces fit together. It was great. Didn't need any odd track pieces. So, and this got moved from over there. And if you can see, I moved that. I moved the switch this way past the mountain there, and got rid of the tracks I had in between for storage, and this track now goes to this one instead of to that one on the outside. And I like that better. Is the caboose track. I'm gonna use this more. I don't know. I kind of like playing in yards, and and so this will let me do some switching around and do some things like that, and kind of looking forward to that. And I think I may do something different with this, but I'm not too sure what yet. And I did pick up a couple tunnel portals. There's one, and the other one's on the other side. And I'm going to make a double portal there. And I'm just not too sure what all I have an idea in my head about what I'm going to do with this area, but I haven't entirely got it formulated yet. I also picked up the crossing at Valley Trains and Models too. And I decided to try, I purchased a couple building flat pictures that you can print out yourself, and then I put them on that poster board or whatever that stuff is. And I kind of like them. They're just stuck on there with double-sided tape right now, but I'm gonna cut this board shorter and put a little sidewalk in front of that, and there's the other portal. Whether it stays there or not, I don't know yet. But anyway, we're gonna see what we have planned here. So I think that's about all the major changes. So let's run some trains.